Level 1, Little Miss Fun.
Perfect! You saved Miss Fun. Oh, I can see her bouncing with joy on the diving board. She's so dynamic and enthusiastic. She's jumping, bouncing, and yes, she dove!
Level 2, Mr. Funny.
Congratulations! You freed Mr. Funny. But what's he doing? Oh, he managed to get hold of a cloud. He truly would do anything to be funny.
Level 3, Little Miss Greedy.
What a beautiful picnic! Little Miss Greedy is famished. Thanks to you, she'll be able to eat her cakes, her cheese, all her beautiful apples, and... oh no! Look at those little creatures. They must be famished as well. They're carrying away almost everything. Well, what they can...
Level 4, Mr. Greedy.
Congratulations! You are very talented. Your score will allow Mr. Greedy to beat his own record. Will he finally swallow 3 Black Forest cakes, 10 bowls of ice cream, and 25 hot dogs in one sitting?
Level 5, Little Miss Stubborn.
Way to go! You just freed Miss Stubborn. She's free at last and back to her old habits, running in the rain and dressing warmly on a hot sunny day.
Level 6, Mr. Grumpy.
Well done! You won again! And now, Mr. Grumpy can go on running after his hat and complaining that there's too much wind, that it's too cold, that he doesn't like to jog, and that he hates to complain.
Level 7, Little Miss Chatterbox.
Congratulations! Great score! You have freed Miss Chatterbox. Now she can go back to her everyday activities, such as being on the phone, and being on the phone for days, months, and years non-stop, until her last breath. Phew.
Level 8, Mr. Chatterbox.
Splendid! You have freed Mr. Chatterbox. He doesn't waste time, does he? He's walking up to the microphone and he's speaking. Ah!
Level 9, Little Miss Twins.
Way to go! You have just freed Miss Twins. Ouch! She's so happy she needs to share her joy with someone else. Anyway, she's really happy.
And finally, Level 10, Mr. Snow.
Fantastic! Mr. Snow doesn't know how to repay you. Do you like throwing snowballs in wintertime? Well, I think he has something. Watch out! No need to thank him. The pleasure is all his.